Hi, my name is Janie Berg, and this is my slide design project. So for this project, I decided to choose Birkenstock. It's one of my favorite brands. I wear the sandals all the time, so it was kind of an easy decision for me to make. So I chose this ad. It says "Stay True" in the middle, and then has the Birkenstock logo at the bottom. And then I wrote promoting an original brand because it has the originality of Birkenstock. Which is a brand that has been around for a very long time and continues to be popular among all different ages. But this ad is really geared towards females, especially younger ones, maybe teenagers to maybe early 20s, even late 20s. So we're just going to take a look at this original ad a little bit. The color scheme is my favorite. I love the raw colors in nature, the browns, the greens, just a little bit. And then the models in this, they match and they go with the colors of nature, and they just look like outdoorsy girls, which draws girls in particular who are outdoorsy to this ad. And then a little bit more about this original ad. We can see that this box around the logo says "Stay True." We just have a thin, simple box, and then again with those models in that design process, we see that the sandals are the main focus of this ad, but we still want the viewers to know that females are the focus of this ad. And then a little bit about the typography. It's just a simple sans serif. It's white, so it stands out just enough, but it is thin, so it's not the main focus, but you can see that it says "Stay True," so you know that it's an original brand and it's not going to change. And then we see just a little bit of the logo below, so you know exactly what brand this is promoting. Then if we take a look at the new ad that I was able to create, we see that it's very similar in the way that we have a girl, we have her shoes as kind of the main focus, and she's outside. So there's not a ton of browns in this, but there is lots of greenery, and she is in nature. But then we add just a little bit of her smile and her shoes still as that main focus. And there it says again. And then we have this same simple box with "Keep It Classic," which is something similar that I like. Just so the viewers know that, you know, it's a classic style. It's going to be around for a long time and still look great. I made the box a little bit thicker just so it stood out a little bit more. And then we have on the typography that same sans serif, but a little bit bigger. And then as well, I made the logo just a little bit bigger and thicker just so it stood out, but it still has that same idea. So that's kind of what makes both of those ads great. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.